you see that Ferris wheel? That and those fireworks? This is to be continued, but now this is right, Mom? This is our second page right here.
Okay, let's go find Chad and CJ.
Let's go find. We're gonna go find. Look, see this Ferris wheel right here? That huge Ferris wheel, you guys. I was on there, and it was my first time with fireworks. My very first time on a Ferris wheel.
Hold this for me.
And I had fireworks. Can you believe it, Mom? The best first ride ever in my life.
I don't know how long it's been since I've been on there.
This Ferris wheel is so pretty. And this was like a miracle. We didn't even, well, not Mom, but Chad didn't even want to come yet.
Well, he was just, there he is.
Hey guys! Now, this is Chad. Say hi. And this is CJ. Who I call C because the J is just another part of his name.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
He's so They weren't going to let us on. And because they were at the last, and we said, "Look at Robin Bird."
So beautiful. This has been like the best thing ever. And guess what? Number one thing, there were no clowns, right? There were no real clowns ever. No real clowns. Oh, thank gosh, because most of these things have clowns, and they did not have clowns. This carnival thing.
I turned out remember my car.
Yeah. We rode the merry-go-round. We had to stand up.
We had to stand. Well, as y'all know, we did have to stand up to ride the merry-go-round. But the best thing was the Ferris wheel. Let's see that's rats around here in the Ferris wheel. Since I haven't talked to y'all in a while. My beautiful descriptors. My awesome ones. What?
The basketball.
Yes.
I know, CJ. If it was a real basketball, he'd get it in there.
But yeah, ask people to subscribe, and this is awesome. What's closed down?
They closed down for the fireworks.
I was trying to catch up, but they got sidetracked.
I'm just glad I won a turn.
We were walking.
We're about to leave, but that was the best thing that's ever happened to me. Hey, have you ever rode a Ferris wheel?
Yes.
How old were you? He's 11 right now. Wait, so just last year? And by the way, I got good stuff on my video camera. That's why I had to stop you guys. But also because, I don't know, just to have fun, I guess. And to get on the Ferris wheel. Oh my gosh, it was awesome. Since they're closing down right now and you saw those beautiful fireworks, well, you know what I mean. I'm just glad I got to talk to y'all, and I'm so sorry it's been a while. And I'm actually not in the house or anything. I'm actually out.
Let's wait till.
So goodbye, Ferris wheel. And I did meet some new people, that's for sure. A nice guy who was also a little weird. If he was my age, yeah, I would maybe date him, but he was cute.
What'd you say to him?
I didn't say anything to him. I was saying I asked him how old he was because he didn't look 13.
How old was he?
He was 13, but he was so freaking hot.
23. You can't do that.
I'm 22, and of course I wasn't going to date him.
Okay, but you can't flirt with him either. Young.
His friend was more hotter. And plus, I would never do that.
Alright.
I didn't ask his age because I wanted to date him or anything. I just asked because he was a nice guy. Sort of. So, we're here at Chad's truck, not my father's. And I will see y'all later. Should I say to be continued?
Yeah.
Maybe to be continued. Love y'all guys. Hope you had fun watching this. Bye. Subscribe to me anytime you want. Bye.